Guys, welcome to today's live decoding BankNifty futures. Today is the 12th of June 2023, Monday, and the current time is 9:01 a.m. IST. So let me just quickly share my screen and let's quickly look at what's happening currently. Okay, so overall, if I look, what I'm looking at is from a bigger picture is we are still developing above the previous month's value, plus we created a new all-time high, and after creating the new all-time high, we did had a liquidation on Thursday. I think first, this is where the all-time high was created on Thursday in the first half, and then we are slowly liquidating and the price is developing lower and saw some supply getting shut off around the 44,000 level. Okay, so for me today 44,000 is an important reference level because this is previously where the supply was trapped, or the shorts are the ones which are trapped, and that's why we have a reversal or something like a V-shape sort of a reversal, which is happening. So this is that V-shape type of recovery which happened. But once the all-time high was created, we are just slowly developing lower, and again 44,000, and this is BankNifty futures. I'm not looking at the spot, but on the futures chart is 44,000 level is where I'm looking at, because this is where it is indicating me there are trapped shorts. Also above this is where there are trapped longs, and there are those who are currently are long, they have got their stop losses below around 43,800 level, and these are the zones where again there are trapped supply, so these are the ones where who are trapped is the supplies is the one, or the shorts are the ones which are currently being trapped. Okay, so overall we are still developing above, so this is the value high, value low, monthly value area, and what we see is we looked above and failed, we looked below and failed, and now we are just chopping sideways. Okay, so 44,000 again is an important level because that is where a monthly volume point of control is present for the BankNifty futures. Okay, so that is what currently I want to start with. So this is, and below 44,000, so if you see what's below 44,000 is, first of all, there are HVNs, there is a low volume area node, and if you see there are a lot of buyers who have accumulated positions here. So these are where the buyers have accumulated positions. When Friday it broke 44,000, I was actually looking for continuation lower, which did not happen. As it did not happen, that was a hint that the supply or the shorts are the ones who are getting trapped, and that's why we had a sort of a reversal. Now overall, so if I just look from the bigger picture perspective, right, I'm just repeating. So Thursday we had this single print. So what happened is, initially we looked below the Thursday's low, we continued higher, cleared the single print zone. Once the zone is cleared, so this is where the supply came in and they took the price lower. So overall, from the inventory perspective, the inventory is short, but again 44,000, this is the level where I'm again expecting some sort of supply to get shut off and reinitiate some long. So overall, the levels which I'm looking at is 44,234, 44,82, and 43,930. So these are the three levels for today which I'm looking at. And as the current time is 9:05, in next 2 minutes we will be getting the pre-open data out. But in the Friday's auction, we have got trapped buyers around 44,234, and below 44,82 is where we have got trapped sellers. So this is that 200-point range, which I'm expecting some sort of choppiness to be seen. And overall, from the supply indicator, it did give me a hint that supply did shut off. So any reaction, so observe the reaction at this, because this is where again the supply will be shut off, and again the reason why supply shut off was because of trapped shorts, and this is what it is indicating. So this is that custom indicator which I have coded in PineScript for TradingView. I will be sharing it but based on the subscription. But yeah, just let me know if you are interested, if you want to beta test or just want to test it out. Just let me know in the comments below. But anyways, okay. So overall, what is happening in Bank Nifty is we are overall balancing in a 300 point range. Okay, so between 44,000 to 44,300. So this is that range, where we are balancing. Similarly, if you look at HDFC, right? HDFC is also, we had a rejection at the point of control, and it is balancing between 1625 and 1615. So it is balancing in a 10 point range. Plus 1620 is where a prominent point of control is seen. Okay, so does it look above and continue, or does it look below and continue? Does it look above and fail, and does it look below and fail? So that is overall trade plan for me today. And the important areas for me are the Friday low and the Friday high. And overall we have got, so this is the order flow chart, and if you see, overall we have got trapped shorts, which are the ones who are holding the current auction higher, and there are some unfinished auctions, plus there is some trapped buyers. So there are more trapped shorts compared to more trapped buyers. Okay, so the time is 9:07. I believe the pre-open data will be out. Let me just quickly look at it. It is still it's not yet updated. Let me just go to this. Yeah, it is still, pre-market is 44,035. Is that the correct number? Yeah, so 44,035. So basically we are opening not a gap up, but we are opening 46 points above. Okay, so now what is the trade plan now? Okay, that's what the question you should be asking me. So as we are opening 40 points above, so the close was 113, and 113 plus 40 is 163. So we have got some structural stops here and here, and also the point of control. Okay, so what I'm expecting is seeing some rejection at the point of control, and do we have continuation to the lower end? So is it look above and fail from the point of control, or is it look above and continue from point of control? So that is the overall trade plan which I have. And if I just look from the numbers perspective, we have got some trapped shorts, and also there is some buying activity happen, plus there is also a VWAP, previous day's VWAP. And yeah, so previous day's VWAP is where I'm expecting some supply to get shut off, and we also have got a level where there is a trapped buyer. Okay, so I'm expecting supply to come in around 44,200. So I'm expecting supply to come in at this level, at previous day's VWAP. And also for me, this, you see this line, this is an important level. So I'm expecting some choppiness around this level, and I'll be looking whether we look below previous day's low and fail, because if this sort of reaction happens, then I'm looking for continuation to the higher side and clearing this trapped buyer. So basically this will be my target. So this is 1, this is 2, and this is 3. But yes, first of all, I'm expecting, as we are opening a bit, not a gap up, but 50 points up, I'm expecting some supply to come in at previous day's VWAP, and also around 44,200 level, because above this level is where there is trapped buyers. Okay, so they are the ones who are going to provide the supply, and so this is what I'm expecting. Price to come lower, tag the previous day's low, take some time, and then develop higher, or develop lower. So previous day's low is important, previous day's VWAP is important, 44,200 is important. Yeah, and if I just jump to the higher time frame chart, so there is a reference level that is 44,234. Okay, 44,200 and 44,234. So this is where I'm expecting responsive selling, We have got some 3 stops, so I'm expecting the stops to be taken out and then look for continuation lower and fail and continuation higher. So 44.80 and 44.234. So this is the 200 point range of chop is what I'm looking to see today. Okay. So guys, if you have any questions, do just let me know. And looking from the OI data, 44,000 is the area where a lot of call positions have been created. Yeah, so I'm expecting that level as a support, and as we are opening above that level, so the pre-open is 44,035, right? And where is HDFC? HDFC is also opening just 1 point above. Yeah, so 44,000. So I'll just wait. I'm looking for responsive selling right at the open. In HDFC Bank also we have got some trapped buyers, and we have got this level where I'm expecting the supply to shut off. Okay, because this is where there is trapped shorts. Okay, so an interesting day today to observe the reaction. So I have the higher time frame chart. I'm looking at the OI data, and overall, if I share my overall I have just made about 1% sort of or 2% in the month of June. In the month of May, this is what I lost, about 17%, but this is the current what do you call my performance from scalping for the BankNifty options. Okay, so the auction will open in next 3 minutes. If you have got any question, do let me know, or else we'll just wait and watch. I'll just note down the pre-open. Time is 9:13. $44,035. Okay, so the pre-open data is long, so let's see the reaction. So I will not be in a hurry to take a trade. I'll wait for some. So basically I'll be using the order flow, the delta order flow, to give me some clarity, and based on that is where I'll be taking the trades. But overall I'm looking for some responsive buying at 44,120 level. So previous day VWAP, and this is the zone where I'm expecting some supply to get shut off, and at lower end we have got some trapped sellers and also some trapped buyers. Okay, so again an interesting day. Let's see how the auction opens, how it develops. Okay, and so no comments, no chat. Okay, so we are opening in next 5 seconds. Let's see. Let's observe. Okay, so we are opening up, seeing some responsive selling. We have taken the first stop. We are now developing lower, and I'm looking to see. So this is where some responsive buying came in, and do we develop lower? Yep, so we are developing lower. but nope, we are failing to continue. So this is where some supply is shutting off. Nope, I'm making some mistakes again. So when it moved lower, right? So that's where I bought a put. Now it's so I'm looking for continuation lower and hit the previous day's low, but it's not. So supply is getting trapped here, and this is where supply is shutting off. Nope. So overall I have taken 3 trades, and this is what I've lost. So 44,200 PE and 43,800 CE. So it looked below and failed. Now it is just developing sideways. I think I'm too early to take a trade. And my stop losses are getting hit, so I entered the 4th trade 383, and then it just hit my stop loss. So I'll just wait and watch. But yeah, overall I have lost about 2%. This is the 21k account, and yeah, I'll see. I need to now wait and watch. But overall we are having trapped buyers. Supply is definitely pretty good, but it looked below and failed. Let me just I'll close this, and I'll close this. Let me just hit refresh to this chart. But it is seeing supply getting shut off around 44.82. Okay, so why it is not able to take this? So we are at T+2 low. Yes, it has taken this level. And I'm waiting for the previous week low to be taken out. I'm waiting for this low to be taken out, because this is where I'm expecting some responsive buying. So this is where there will be responsive buying, and I'm waiting for the previous week low to be taken out. Yes. So some responsive buying is seen here. I'm looking for one strong flush. So I have entered a call trade. Okay, so this is where I've entered. This is my stop loss. I bought it at 343.9 and the stop loss got hit. That's okay. I re-entered again. I bought it at 347.15, 349. Okay, so I'll remove this. Okay, so I'm still in a trade and it got hit. So 347 and 347 again. Supply is coming in strong. So I've entered one more trade. I bought it at 351.15. So we have got trapped buyers, but the trade worked perfectly well. So I was looking for previous day's low, look below and fail. Okay, so I'll just put my SL 353, 354, 355. Okay, so this is how I'm trailing my SL 6, 7, 8, 9. 60. Yeah, so I still got hit. 351 to 359. Yeah, so anyways, so yeah, I failed to capture actually add at the right time, but yeah, I'm still seeing some more upside. So what has happened overall is we looked below previous day's low, previous week's low, and failed. So this was the my A plus setup. It did work out well, but yeah, that's fine. I have made a loss. Okay, I was able to add one more 367 to 377. Okay, and overall I'm still in a 2% loss. But yeah, so those are some of the trades which I'm seeing now. Okay, I was able to enter another put trade 329 to 335, so 258, so about 1% loss. Okay, so I'm expecting some choppiness now, so I'll wait for this low to be broken. That will be my trade plan, or this particular high to be, or this level to be broken. This is where I'm expecting some premium erosion. Yeah, so overall I have lost about 1% today, and yeah, took a lot of trades, not a lot of trades, about 7 to 8 trades, but yeah, let's see. So we are nearing the supply zone again. This is where supply is gonna definitely come in, but I'm not expecting more premium moves because I'm seeing premium erosion being happening right now. Yeah, so for the put, even though the prices are falling, the premium erosion is pretty fast. Okay, so I'll wait for this level, this level, because we have got trapped supply. Okay, so we have got trapped shorts here, we have got some trapped shorts here. We have got one more trapped, or a seller, bigger seller activity happening here. This is where again one more trapped short, and this is where there are buyers. Okay, so nice rejection from previous day's close. Overall inventory is definitely flat, sorry, short, not flat. Okay, are there any comments? No comments, that's fine. So again, I shared that level. Yeah, this is an important reference level. So I'm expecting, so if it looks above, I'm looking for continuation higher, because this is where it is just chopping. So I'll just wait and watch now. I'm not in the mood to take any trades. I've just closed my window, the trading terminal. Okay, the time is 9:30. And again, I'm looking for this level to be cleared, and do we see continuation higher, because this is where supply is present. If I look at HDFC, yeah, it is getting rejection from the balance. So from the higher time frame in BankNifty, we looked below 44082, and now I'm looking for continuation to the higher end. So what we have is, we have got trapped supply and we have got trapped buyers. So this is the zone where you can expect some choppiness. Anyways, I missed shorting, but yeah, that's fine. Just waiting and watching, I'm just waiting. So overall delta is negative. So I did enter a long trade, but my buying price was 458 and exited at 457, because when I was trying to exit, it was at 450. Yeah, so 8-point drop. So that's why, so this is where the choppiness is where, I just exited. Now I have entered a call trade. Now I'm looking for continuation to the upper end. So I've entered at 465. And now it is trading at 456. Okay, so I'm looking for continuation now because we have broken a major level. I'm expecting buyers to come in. But nope, so I'm just exiting. So this is an area where there are trapped buyers. Okay, so I'm just waiting, watching. I'll just be back. So this is that trade which I'm in. This is my stop loss. Yeah, so after hitting my SL, that's fine. So I entered at 461. I'll keep my SL at 458. So I'm looking for continuation to the upside now. because this is where I'm expecting some short covering now, but is it coming or not? Yeah, we'll see. So I'm just looking at the UI data. 44,000 is the level where the maximum put is happening. $59, $60. And did you see the drop? The price getting dropped? Yep, my SL got hit. Yeah, 61 to 59. So previous day's close. Okay, so I've entered a put trade, 311. Now it is at 309. I'm looking for continuation lower because there is no short covering happening. $311 is my buying price. 311, 313, yeah. So I'm looking for continuation to the lower end. This is where 31. Okay, now I'll put my SL 313, 314, 315, 316, 317. I'm looking for continuation lower. $318. I'm looking for a pop now. So if you see this, right, this is where I'm looking for supply to shut off. Yep, it hit my SL. Yeah, so 311 to 317.45. Okay, now the trade plan for me is I'll wait for a retracement to this level. So and now the price is going to fall, it's going to take out this level. So any area like this level or this level is where I'm looking for adding a put, but I will now wait and watch because I already lost about 2% and I've taken a lot of trades, and this is the overall the trades which I have taken. Okay, so just chopping, I'll just remove this. This is a weaker reference. Now it will start to drop. It is now at 332. Okay, that's fine. So that's how I'm learning how I am trading. So now I'm expecting some supply to again shut off, but for me this is the level where this is the zone where I'm expecting again supply to reinitiate and then go lower. Okay, now it is going to chop within this range. So for me this level and this level are the two zones where I'll be looking to add a put positions. Okay, so overall currently I've lost about 2%. That's fine. I'm not in a hurry to recover that. This is a small account which I'm trading. Okay, so let me see if there are any questions. Okay, no questions. Great. So thank you again, ending this session. So and I'll see you again tomorrow. Yeah.